My name is Shepard. I've attended the Recruitment Service Startup Workshop, and I've enjoyed my time actually. A bit of a background with me. I have been in the recruitment industry. I started a company with my brother in 2010 and ran it for about 8 years. Unfortunately, the business ended up folding because of some challenges that we had. But looking back, and even based on what I was hearing today in this meeting, in the workshop that I've attended, one thing that I know for a fact we lacked was a mentor, somebody who can assist us, who can guide us through, who can, identify some of the pitfalls for us. Believe me, we made quite a lot of mistakes in our time. But from the workshop today, yes, I've realized that Joe, he's a very experienced guy and is very willing to assist, which is something that if I had this training before, I probably would not have made the mistakes that I made. But now looking forward and being someone who's always looking forward to while I breathe, I hope. So I am looking to take this opportunity with a mentor such as Joe, with his 40 odd years of experience, and see how I can avoid the mistakes of yesteryear, and also how I can grow my recruitment business. I'm looking to expand not just in the temporary market, which is where I was before, but also into the permanent market, and also see if I can diversify into various industry. As far as I can hear from, as far as I heard from the meeting today, this is a very big possibility, and the opportunities are endless, are limitless. So I'm looking forward to my time working with Joe and his team, and see how I can grow my business and develop as a person. Certainly, there are things that I'm hoping that I manage to circumvent, and I am sure that with the support, I'll be able to circumvent them. Thank you very much, and I would encourage anyone else who's willing to try out their hand at recruitment. One word I could say is that always look for a mentor, someone who can assist you. It is doable. It is very doable. I mean, if I manage to do it, anyone can do it. But the most important thing is you need a mentor, because there are pitfalls and there are ditches left, right, and center, and you need someone to keep you on the straight and narrow.